Hey guys, this is a small video in which I was facing an issue where I want to hide my form. Once I submit my form, the form will hide the form will hide and a div shows on clicking the submit button. So that's what my plan, and I did some research you can say inside the Stack Overflow, and I found some code. I upgraded the code and did some changes in it, and right now I have just a simple code in which here is a form. Okay, here is a small form and here is a div. Thank you, you will get on the same page, and here is a JavaScript. So as yep, so I will once I submit the form will hide and a div will show on clicking the submit button by using JavaScript. So all you have to do is just follow my code. So this will work as I'm just copying the code of the form inside the editor of W3 School from. Okay, now form is completed. Now I'm copying the div just below the, doesn't matter where you put, but I'm just putting it below the div, and then I will add the script inside the body tag, and here is another script. The above script was for form and the other script is for showing the document. So here I'm using two types of scripts. First, if I submit, then this script will call and it will hide the first form, as the name here you can see, name my first form, and this will hide the form. And as I click on this submit, as I click on the submit button, this will call on click function will call the my function, and here you can see I've added some code from W3 School cause it's beautiful. And now let's check the code. Okay, so it's not finished yet. Yes, the script was left. Okay, now if I run the code, then so you can write whatever you want, Sachin, then submit the code. Boom, thank you, we will get you soon. So this is a div which I was writing, and here you can change it to whatever you want. And for a little bit explanation, here is the id. Here when you call the my function, it will call document dot get element by id, then the element data will be stored inside the x. Now if element dot style dot display is equals to null, then it will be block, show block, or and it will go to the x dot element dot style dot display to none. Since it was already the block, then it was already the none, then it will show the block. Did you get that? Okay. So once I click on the submit button, wait a minute, once I click on the submit button, this will call and this will work, and this will work as add event listener, and it will work as an event, and you have to use event dot prevent default, so that when you refresh the page will the document form will remains hidden, otherwise it will show again. I can just show you a small example like how it's working. If I cut it down and then run the code and then click on the okay I don't want to call the submit. Okay, again I will run the code, submit. Something is wrong. Okay, then let's get it back, the code, submit, boom. So that's enough for today, guys, and thank you very much. I hope you like this video. This video is specially made for myself, for my learning and practice, and learning how to use the JavaScript. So that's all for today.